No matter if you're giving a speech, championing a cause, marketing a product, organizing an event, or just trying to influence someone's opinion. The ability to persuade others to see things your way is an incredibly valuable skill. In today's tutorial, you will learn how using figurative language can elevate your persuasive writing. Figurative language, such as metaphors, similes, personification, and hyperbole, can make your arguments more compelling and memorable. It helps paint vivid pictures in the minds of your audience, making your message more impactful and emotionally resonant. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to weave these powerful linguistic tools into your writing to create a stronger, more persuasive narrative. So let's dive in and explore how to harness the power of figurative language to help you become a more effective persuader. Hyperbole is the deliberate use of exaggeration to make a point. You basically make something seem a lot better or a lot worse than they actually are. Look at these examples. This app will change your life overnight. A single bag for life can save thousands of marine animals. Everyone is talking about this incredible deal. Overfishing is the greatest threat humanity has ever faced. If you don't buy one, you'll regret it forever. Every minute we delay, another species faces extinction. As a persuasive writing tool, hyperbole certainly works. But why? If we can understand how it persuades, we'll be able to use it more effectively. First, exaggeration makes your point stand out. It doesn't get lost amongst the forest of words on the page. Making things seem a lot better or a lot worse than they actually are results in a stronger emotional reaction, which motivates the reader to want to take action. Finally, it creates a sense of urgency, that time is running out and that we need to do something now. Personification is when we give human qualities to non-human things. It's when we say things like, the sun smiled, or the thunder grumbled. Let's take a look at some persuasive writing examples. The earth breathes easier with every tree we plant. The beach is groaning under the weight of trash, begging us to take action. This smartwatch keeps an eye on your health, tracking every step and heartbeat. The sun is always smiling in the Philippines. These running shoes hug your feet, offering incredible comfort and support. Once again, it's clear that personification is an effective persuasive writing tool. It helps the reader imagine and feel what you are describing. And by humanizing non-human things, it makes them more relatable, which allows us to emotionally connect to them. This can result in more empathy, concern, and action. Similes and metaphors compare two things, but in a slightly different way. Similes explain how one thing is similar to another thing, often using the words like or as. The moon hung in the sky like a silver coin. Metaphors are more direct. They say that one thing is another thing. The moon was a silver coin hanging in the sky. Let's take a look at how similes and metaphors are used in persuasive writing. Social media is like a magnet, pulling you away from your family. Social media is a magnet, pulling you away from your family. Protecting our oceans is like safeguarding a treasure chest of biodiversity. In protecting our oceans, we are safeguarding a treasure chest of biodiversity. Managing traffic is like conducting an orchestra of vehicles. To manage traffic, we need to conduct an orchestra of vehicles. Similes and metaphors are excellent persuasive writing tools because firstly, they help the reader imagine what you are describing, keeping them engaged and interested. Secondly, they simplify a complex idea into a single sentence, making it easy to understand. Finally, by comparing new concepts to everyday things, similes and metaphors make the message more relatable. So, from now on, use these 4 linguistic tools in your persuasive writing: hyperbole, personification, similes, and metaphors. They're like a painter's palette, adding vibrant colors and depth to your words, capturing your audience's attention and making your message unforgettable and, ultimately, more persuasive. Thanks for watching. To learn about other types of figurative language, make sure you watch this video. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There are plenty of other videos that will help take your writing skills to the next level.